Happy February! All of the sales and the specials that you'll hear about here and watch in the background are through spiritualanswersandSolutions.com. These are the specials for February 2018. What a wonderful month February is. We have so many different things going on, so many free downloads for you to try and for you to listen to help you create the life that you want. It's Chinese New Year, so you'll find a brand new Happy Chinese New Year session that you are able to listen to. It sets you up for each and every Chinese New Year to be your very best New Year. And this is the year of the brown earth dog. So on February 16th, look for it and you'll see a new download just specifically for the year of the brown earth dog. It's complimentary. Listen to it all year long. Set your goals, relax, lie back, and enjoy it. We still have our specials going on in our special store that you are able to stream all of the downloads for only $10 a month. If you buy the package in February, the February package, it's only $45. And the downloads that you get for February have everything to do with communication, relationships, and success. So our February package includes the Accepting Success set so that you are able to accept it now. Calm yourself down anytime you get anxious or too excited, and eliminating any guilt associated with being who you want to be and as great as you want to be. There is an Always Be True to Yourself download. It's short, to the point. It helps you relax your mind and your body and get you in touch with you, who you want to be, and what's the very best thing for you to do. Be My Valentine is a fabulous session. It's in the download store and it's also on YouTube. It's called Be My Valentine, and it sets you up to have the best Valentine's Day, to feel good about yourself in every way. Conquer Fear Every Day is a short download that gets you into the mind frame that you want to be to create your ideal day each and every day. And it comes with a very short Fear of the Future reprogramming, so you can erase away anything and everything that holds you back from being your best every single day. Since February has to do with communication, in the streaming store, you get a set of saying what you need, so you are able to talk about what you want to talk about in a way that you're comfortable. There's a talking about your feelings guided meditation that you are able to relax, lie back, review anything and everything that you need to. And you also get a small or short reprogramming set that makes it easy for you to talk about your feelings. And of course, there's always a to-go-to-sleep session, a sleep hypnosis session included in the monthly program. And this month, it's talking about your feelings, so you go to sleep comfortably, easily, naturally, and get yourself comfortable with talking about what you want and what you need and saying it easily. February is a great month for you to get in touch with yourself, focus on what you want and what you need. So be sure to check out all of our downloads about reprogramming. And we have a plethora of worksheets for February, affirmations that'll help you stay focused on what you want and feeling good about who you are. We have a ton of adult coloring ebooks and printables so that you can print just the one that you want at the time. And you are able to color what you want in your life. There's a lot of color manifesting exercises and downloads for you. And we also have our kids' books. So be sure to check out all of the free kids' activity books. We have a bunch for February and Valentine's Day. So have a wonderful February 2018 and enjoy this month completely.